Hello everyone, this is Agastilago reporting from Gudu Notko Pasigat. Today we are here to witness the mega audition of first edition of Miss Mopping Queen 2025 on 1 March. This pageant aims to celebrate the beauty and talent of the Kalo community. So let's have an interaction with the organizers and contestants about the experience and thought on Miss Mopping Queen 2025. So now we are with the jurors of Miss Mopping Queen 2025. Let's hear something from them. Hi Miss, can you introduce about Miss Mopping Queen 2025?
Yes, Miss Mopping Queen 2025 is going to be the first edition under the banner of सेंट्रल मोपिन सेलिब्रेशन कमेटी पासीघाट. तो पासीघाट का जो मोपिन सेलिब्रेशन कमेटी उनका ये फर्स्ट एडिशन होगा फॉर मिस मोपिन क्वीन 2025 एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वी होप दैट कि द फर्स्ट एडिशन के बाद में वील बी एबल टू गो टुवर्ड्स द सेकेंड एडिशन एज वेल.
How do you feel about today's audition?
We had lots of talents from all over the state I think, क्योंकि बहुत सारा लड़की ऐसा लोग था जो कि पासीघाट का नहीं है. कोई लोग आलो से आया है, कोई ईटानगर से आया है, कोई रोइंग से आया है. They came from all the places of all the towns and different places of our state. So I'm looking forward कि आज का audition तो बहुत अच्छा था and we have chosen our candidates already and just waiting for the finale.
Any special message for the participants of today?
For the participants, I mean for those who are selected, I wish them all the very best and I want to tell them क्योंकि ये competition अभी just start हुआ है. This is just the first phase and you're going to be in a very tough journey and the competition is going to be very gruesome also sometimes. So आपको mentally, physically पूरा prepared होना पड़ेगा. Keep working hard and work. अभी से आप लोग practice start कर दो and for those who could not make it, this is not the end. आपको और भी opportunity ज़रूर मिलेगा. Please come next time और भी prepare होके.
How do you feel this Miss Mopping Queen 2025 will impact our society?
I think that beauty pageant right now in Arunachal, it's taken over a toll in every platform. अभी आप कोई भी एक फेस्टिवल में जाएगा, एक इवेंट में जाएगा, एक यूनियन में जाएगा, एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्लेस कहीं भी जाएगा, देयर इज अ ब्यूटी पैजेंट गोइंग ऑन. एंड वो इसलिए भी होता है कि पीपल इंजॉय वॉचिंग ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स. It's not just about beautiful girls walking the stage, but it's about what they can give to the society, to the environment. अभी बहुत सारा लोग का एक अलग अलग different causes वो लोग अपना आगे लेके जा रहा है for the betterment of the society, their community. So I think कि हम लोग को ऐसे I feel very proud कि बहुत सारा लोग अभी ऐसे start कर रहा है, and I think it's going to boost a lot of confidence for the young women also. Everyone is coming prepared. अभी पहले हम लोग ऐसा होता था कि when we used to audition the girls, किसी को भी आइडिया नहीं होता था कि प्रिपरेशन कैसे करना है, बट टुडे सो मेनी ऑफ देम केम वेल प्रिपेयर्ड. सो आई थिंक जो लेवल आ गया, वो जो ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स का जो लेवल है पहले यहाँ था, बट इट हैज़ कम टू हियर. एंड आई थिंक दैट all the beautiful ladies who have participated in any kind of beauty pageants in Arunachal, they are ready for national or international platform.
History of today's audition and upcoming event or present.
I think after this, we are going to have our small briefing with the selected contestants. We are going to tell them what they need to work on and what they have to bring for the grooming sessions. हमारा grooming session होगा और उसमें हमारा official choreographer होगा Tana Ashwin. He will be mentoring the girls in and also choreographing the whole event of the show. उसके बाद में लड़की लोग को walk करना, वो elegance जो है ताना अश्विन सिखाएगा. वी कॉल्ड हिम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम दिल्ली, और वेरी वेरी प्राउड कि बहुत सारा लड़की लोग आया है. एंड आई फील कि आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड कि ग्रूमिंग सेशंस होगा, उसमें दिल बी लर्निंग अ लॉट अबाउट वॉइस, आपका बिहेवियर कैसा होना है, बात कैसे करना है, हाउ टू प्रेजेंट योर सेल्फ इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल, एंड दे विल बी इंडल्जिंग themselves in different kind of activities also. So I'm really looking forward.
How many rounds will be there in this smoking queen?
Probably we'll have maybe 4 to 5 rounds, and obviously there will be our festival costume round, there will be casual and evening gown round, we will have our Q&A sessions also. So let's hope for the best.
How many subtitles are there for this program?
Right now we have 5 fixed subtitles: best costume, best personality, and congeniality, and what else was there, ramp walk, and one more, congeniality. Did I speak about congeniality? Yeah. So we have like almost 5. And अगर हमें लगता है कि लड़की लोग का टैलेंट कहीं और भी है, we will add on more subtitles. Quality: someone who will be able to connect with her people, with the Galo audiences, Galo community, and not just Galo but the entire state. Entire state से कोई मतलब ऐसा कि जो connect कर पाए audience के साथ में, एक connection feel होता है when I speak to the people, और उनसे जो energy आता है, you know, give and take जो relationship होता है, that should be very human like. Human to human connection होना बहुत important है. So we want someone who is able to represent herself and also her thoughts and also viewers' thoughts as well. Oh, for the viewers, thank you so much for being with us today, and we really hope that you will watch our grooming sessions as well as our finale. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Yupi Kadu, and I'm from the Lower Siang district. I'm from Saku village.
Can you tell me how you describe yourself in 3 words?
If I have to describe myself in 3 words, it would be kind, passionate, and confident. Thank you.
Is this your first audition or have you participated in any other pageants?
Actually, this is my first time participating in a pageant. I've never ever participated, so I was really nervous this time.
How did you feel about the audition?
About the audition, actually, I was the first contestant, and because it is my first time participating, it was a little overwhelming, but overall, it was good. It made me happy, and I'm proud of myself.
Can you tell me why did you decide to participate in this particular pageant?
Actually, the reason why I participated in pageant this time was because I was empowered by my friend. She also participated in Miss Nyokum, Miss Buribud, and then she won the first prize. So when I saw her, so I thought if she can, then even I can. So basically, I was empowered by her. and so I decided to participate.
Any message for the organizing community?
Uh, I would like to thank the organizing committee because they are giving us such a platform for us women and girls to be more confident in themselves, and we are getting more opportunity to present ourselves, our inner beauty, and also our passion. So that's all I have to say. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Legam Ngomder and I'm born and raised in Ngomder village and I'm from beautiful district, West Siang district. Thank you.
Can you describe yourself in 3 words?
I'm a sports woman and I'm very passionate and thirdly, self-motivating person. Thank you.
How was the audition? How did you feel?
अगर मेरा ऑडिशन बोलने से तो हम मेरा बेस्ट ट्राई किए और जितना हो सकता था हम किए उसके बाद कल सिलेक्शन होते ही नहीं होते वो तो जजेस का ऊपर है ना हम जितना हो सकता था हम मेरा तरफ से ट्राई कर दिए
How do you particularly feel about this event and how it is impacting our society?
ये इवेंट बोलने से हम लोग का गालो कम्युनिटी मिस मोपिन 2025 है हम लोग का गालो कम्युनिटी के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है ना क्योंकि मोपिन हम लोग का फेस्टिवल है
Is this your first present or have you ever participated in any others?
नहीं ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है ऐसे कुछ चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट किया ला जो ना
Would you like to participate in further more presents in the upcoming one?
हाँ अगर चांस मिलता है तो हम ज़रूर ट्राई करेगा क्योंकि सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है ना
Why did you decide to join this
ये जो हम यहाँ में पार्टिसिपेट ट्राई किया है बोलने से मेरा सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए और मेरा स्ट्रेंथ सबसे ज़्यादा मेरा ताकत है ना तो उसी के लिए हम जो यहाँ में पार्टिसिपेट किया है और खुद का इनर ब्यूटी को देखने के लिए हम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ में थैंक यू
With the final decision from the juries, we will soon hear about who will take home the crown. This is Agasti Lago reporting with Gamun Nokar from Eastern Post. Stay tuned for more updates on this grand celebration about tradition and talents.